When you search for the best Asics running shoes, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Men's Gel Nimbus 27. The Men's Gel Nimbus 27 running shoes caught my attention right away with their sleek design and eco-friendly features. Priced at $109.95, these shoes offer a blend of comfort and sustainability. If you want a running shoe that delivers both performance and a soft touch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The engineered, jacquard mesh upper wraps your foot in softness while promoting breathability. And with at least 75% of the shoe's upper material made from recycled content, you're not just getting a great shoe, you're helping the planet too. The Pure GL technology is designed for lightweight cushioning, so you get softer landings, which is crucial for long runs. Plus, the FF Blast Plus ECO cushioning provides a responsive toe-off, making your strides feel more energized. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 2,700 reviews, this shoe's performance is backed by real users. Now, some people complain about the price being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about running and want something that lasts, this investment is worth it. The comfort and eco-friendly aspects overshadow the initial cost. This is perfect for you if you're a runner looking for high-quality cushioning and want to make more environmentally conscious choices. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-budget friendly. For the value and comfort it provides, this shoe is a solid pick. Now, if the price of the Gel Nimbus 27 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Women's Gel Excite 11. The Women's Gel Excite 11 running shoes stood out to me with their bright colors and affordable price of $74.95. These shoes are not just fun to look at, they offer a great balance of comfort and support. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Pure GL technology used in this shoe is approximately 65% softer than standard GL, which means you'll experience a plush feel with every step. The engineered mesh upper allows your feet to breathe, which is a game changer during long runs. The Amplifoam Plus cushioning provides a softer ride, which is really crucial if you're logging those miles. With a respectable 4.5-star rating from about 1,400 reviews, it's clear that many runners appreciate this shoe. Now, some users mentioned that the sizing can feel a bit off for certain foot shapes. But honestly, every foot is different, and trying them on first can really help you find the best fit. For most people, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual runner or just starting out and need something comfortable without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have wider feet, as it might be a bit snug. For the price, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a high-performance shoe. Product number 3, Women's Gel Nimbus 27. Next up is the Women's Gel Nimbus 27 running shoes, priced at $109.95. These shoes caught my eye with their eco-friendly materials and comfort level. If you want a shoe that feels like it was made just for your feet, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? The engineered jacquard mesh upper provides a snug yet soft fit, cradling your feet as you run. With the same eco-conscious features as the men's version, you can enjoy a sustainable choice that includes at least 75% recycled content. The Pure GL technology helps absorb shock, while the FF Blast Plus ECO cushioning ensures every step feels light and bouncy. It's no wonder it has a fantastic 4.5-star rating from over 2,500 reviews. Users are loving it. Some reviews pointed out that the shoes can feel a bit bulky compared to other models. But here's the thing, that bulkiness translates to more cushioning, which is a plus for long-distance runners. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated runner looking for comfort and sustainability in one package. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more minimalist shoe. For the quality, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the bulkiness of the Gel Nimbus 27 concerns you, wait until you hear about our next pick. Product number 4, Men's Gel Excite 11. The men's Gel Excite 11 running shoes are another fantastic choice, priced at just $74.95. Their bright design and comfort features instantly grab my attention. If you want an affordable shoe that still performs well, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These shoes come equipped with pure gel technology, offering a softer feel compared to standard models. The engineered mesh upper allows for ultimate breathability, making them perfect for warm weather runs. The Amplifoam Plus cushioning enhances comfort significantly, so you can run longer without feeling worn out. With a rating of 4.6 stars from around 1,200 reviews, it's clear that these shoes are a popular choice among runners. Now, some users have said that the shoes lack arch support. That said, many find that adding an insole can easily solve that issue. If you're a runner who doesn't need high support, this shoe could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or running for fitness without needing the top-tier features. Skip this one if you need extra arch support, as it might not meet your requirements. For the price, you're getting a solid shoe. Alright, that was a good option. But if you want something that feels a bit more premium, let's check out the next one. Product number 5, Men's Nova Blast 5. Finally, we have the men's Nova Blast 5 running shoes at $129.95. These shoes are eye-catching with their unique design and promise of performance. If you want a shoe that feels energetic and responsive, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The breathable engineered jacquard mesh upper provides an exceptional fit, while the tongue wing construction ensures that the shoe stays securely in place. The FF Blast Max cushioning offers a lightweight and bouncy ride, perfect for those looking for that extra spring in their step. Plus, the trampoline-inspired outsole design enhances responsiveness, giving you that extra boost when you need it. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars and over 2,200 reviews, runners are clearly impressed. However, some users have noted that the shoes can feel a bit too springy for their liking. But honestly, if you enjoy that energetic feel while running, this could be exactly what you're looking for. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced runner wanting something that enhances your performance and responsiveness. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional, stable feel. For the features and performance, it's a worthwhile investment. So, to wrap it up, we talked about the men's Gel Nimbus 27, the women's Gel Excite 11, the women's Gel Nimbus 27, the men's Gel Excite 11, and finally, the men's Nova Blast 5. Each shoe has its strengths, whether it's comfort, price, or performance. Choose the one that best matches your running style and needs.